Hey guys, welcome to my channel. Thank you so much for clicking on this video. Today I want to talk about weight loss, and I get this question all the time. I want to start losing weight, but I don't know what to do. How do I start? How can I start losing weight today? Weight loss is a long-term process and it takes a lot of time and dedication, and there's a methodology to it. There's different strategies and we can go into that, but what I wanted to do for this video is I wanted to give you tips and tricks that you can start using today, because even though it is a process that takes a long time, there are a couple things that you can start doing right now that will help you to get towards your goal. So without further ado, let's just go ahead and jump right in. Tip number one is to start replacing the carbs in one of your meals with vegetables of some kind. So eat everything else the same. Try to, of course, make good choices, but try to eliminate carbs from one meal. So what I like to do when I've wanted to lose weight in the past, and what I'm trying to do right now also, is I'm trying to eliminate carbs from my lunch. So I will have a salad for lunch with some good veggies, chicken, good protein, or turkey, whatever it may be, but I will eliminate the carbs and then I will have carbs in my other meals for the day. Tip number two is to not drink your calories. So a lot of times we get sucked into, these juices that are really good for you and smoothies and all of the stuff, but liquid calories can add up so fast. So I recommend that you stop drinking liquid calories, things like Gatorade and vitamin water, for example. Vitamin water has like 40 something grams of sugar if it's not the zero one. So just eliminate liquid calories, drink things that are just 0 calories, and just play it safe and just try to drink more water. Which brings me to number three, which is to start to consume more water every day, all day long. So don't just drink a whole bunch of water in the morning or a whole bunch of water in the evening because you forgot to drink water throughout the day. Drink it throughout the day, because that way you maintain hydration. You don't spike your blood pressure like you would if you were to just drink a whole bunch in one shot, and then your body gets used to that and then is really good at eliminating it, and then you're not hydrating yourself, you're just essentially dehydrating yourself. So drink water all day long. Tip number four is going to be to introduce caffeine into your diet. If you already are a caffeine drinker, then make sure that you're drinking something that has caffeine that does not also have sugar. So just something like a Americano, like this, or a black coffee, or even an energy drink. Energy drinks are not the best thing to consume, but if you get one that is 0 calories and has caffeine, it will do what it's essentially made to do, which is to stimulate, and it will increase your heart rate, and then you will burn a little bit more calories than if you did not consume the caffeine. Number five kind of goes hand in hand with the previous one, and this is to get enough sleep. So don't take so much caffeine that you can't sleep. So getting enough sleep is so important because it allows us to recover. It allows us to be asleep more time instead of staying up at night and munching on whatever snack we want to have while we're watching Netflix. So make sure to get your sleep, recover so that you have enough energy to tackle the next day, to do something good for your body in a form of exercise or any type of activity. Tip number six is going to be to do a home project every week. So this is something that I've kind of started to do myself, is that I want to do a home project. So maybe whether it's cleaning my bathrooms extremely thoroughly with all the cabinets and everything, or redecorating my living room, or cleaning out the closets. I want to do one big project a week that takes a lot of energy, and it's essentially me exercising and I'm getting something done in my home that I want to get done, or that I wanted to get done for a long time and haven't been able to find the time to do so. So you are killing two birds with one stone right there. Tip number seven is going to be to find a type of workout that you love to do. So being active is definitely a very good part about losing weight and being healthier, but you want to do something that you enjoy doing. So maybe take your dog for a walk, or go to a dance class, or go and walk in the mall. You don't have to shop necessarily or buy things, but maybe looking at things, planning ahead, doing something active that is kind of unconventional will increase your activity level and you'll burn a lot of calories, but you will also be distracted and be having a lot of fun while you're burning the calories, and that is really important. There are a lot of different types of exercise. There's everything from pole dancing to trapeze lessons, all kinds of stuff, and there's definitely a lot to explore. So if there's something that you've been wanting to do and you haven't had a chance to do it, this may be a good time. Tip number 8 is going to be you don't do everything at once. So this is very important because I see a lot of this you know, with a lot of my clients where they want to have the best diet that they can, exercise the most that they can as many times a week as possible, and then do all of the other stuff that is required for people to lose weight. But the reality is that you always want to have something under your belt. So you want to just do enough so that your body is responding, and then once your body stops responding or adapts to that new method that you have, then you do something else. So you always want to have a tool in your pocket as a reserve so that you can continue to lose weight, continue to get to your goal, and therefore lead a healthy, happy life. And that's gonna be it, guys. I hope that you enjoyed this video. If you did, be sure to leave me a thumbs up. Don't forget to subscribe or hit that bell notification so that you get a notification every time I post a new video. Thank you so much for watching, and I will see you guys in the next one. Bye!